Hey everyone, it's Devin here at A&L Motors. Today I'm going to go over the My BMW app and show you how it will benefit your everyday needs. If you are not yet familiar with the My BMW app, it's a great way for you to communicate with your car and access cool features and benefits. First thing you'll notice whenever you open the app is you'll see a picture of your car. On the top of the screen it shows you how much fuel level is in your car. You can even check the status of your car to see if you've left it unlocked or if you've left the window down or even the hood or trunk. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see a toolbar. On the toolbar you'll be able to lock, unlock, even flash the lights, honk the horn, and if your car is equipped with it, remote start. And all of these features are accessible from anywhere around the world. Below the toolbar, you'll see a vehicle finder. In this icon, if you click on it, it'll show you exactly where your car is. It'll pinpoint a location and give you an address of where it's located at. You can also access Vehicle Finder by going to the bottom of the page and clicking on the map. The icon next to Vehicle Finder is Ventilation Timer, or Remote Start Timer, depending on if your car is equipped with it. If you click on Ventilation Timer, you'll be able to set a departure plan so that every day, say at 9 a.m., your car will be able to start up and warm or cool down for you. Next to Ventilation Timer, this icon is Remote History. In Remote History, it'll show you when you've used any remote feature from the app. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see Dealer Services. In here, you'll be able to schedule a service appointment straight from the app or find a dealership near you if you are not from the area. Below Dealer Services is Info. In Info, you'll be able to get the model of your car, the VIN, and the mileage, all from the app. On the bottom of the screen, you'll also see a globe. In here is the Explore tab. This is where you can go to see all the exciting and up-and-coming events that BMW has planned and all their cool, amazing projects. The next tab is the Profile tab. In the Profile tab, you'll be able to pay for your finances straight from the app, or you can go into the BMW online store or Connected Drive store to pick up some cool merchandise for your new car. These are just a few amazing features of the app. If you have any other questions or need assistance on anything, please feel free to stop in and ask for Devin or any other genius in the department. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and make sure to give us a like and subscribe, and also make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and to see more of me, follow us on TikTok.